In this video, we will be going to tell about what does kefir taste like and how to make kefir taste better. 101 Guide. So let's start now. When reading about the recipes configuring what to eat, we hear about ingredients that are pretty rare and doesn't use in usual recipes. One such ingredient is kefir, and the first thought that comes to mind when learning about it is what does kefir taste like? Kefir tastes in variety based on the ingredients used to make the drink. The content is all about kefir taste, its appearance, and kefir flavors. So, if you are someone new to the field of cooking, it will be the information you need which will come in handy in your cooking career. What is kefir? Before moving to what does kefir milk taste like, here are some words on what kefir actually is. Kefir is a dairy product made by using fermented milk and kefir grains. Kefir grains are not manufactured but are actually based on a colony of living organisms that occur naturally when animal milk is added and removed frequently into bottles made of animal skin. Microorganisms in the milk react with the cellules in the animal-skinned containers and make a structure like several tiny balls attached collectively, labeled as kefir grains. These grains are mixed with animal milk to produce kefir or kefir drink. Is kefir milk? It is not precisely milk but a drink made from fermented animal milk that can be obtained from cows, goats, or sheep. The interesting thing is that the kefir drink can be made using water or milk. To make it, kefir grains are mixed in the milk and blended well, so the grains get evenly mixed in the liquid. Milk can be replaced with water. Therefore, you cannot call kefir milk. However, it has all the nutritional properties of milk and is designated as the ancient cure-all beverage. Where does kefir come from? Kefir originated in North Caucasus, Turkey, and Russia 1,000 years ago, where milk was added to goatskin bags and then hung for the day to let the microbes react. Nobody knows how ancient the phenomenon is. What does kefir look like? In appearance, kefir looks more like thin yogurt, yet it can taste diverse. Once it finishes culturing, the mixture is passed through a strainer to remove undiluted grains. Kefir grains aren't literal grains like wheat, oats, rice, or corn but a colony of microbes known as grains. What does kefir milk taste like? Kefir can be sweet or tart. No, it has nothing to do with the freshness of your drink, but it depends more on the ingredients. Let us explain. As kefir grains are made from animal milk, while the milk of all animals has a different palate, the flavor of kefir depends more on the grains. If you use grains available in the market to make kefir, you can expect kefir to taste more like tangy sour with hints of vanilla, clove, and even banana. It can slightly taste like thin yogurt or ayran. Does kefir taste good?